G'day, here's a parcel of mixed boulder opal with a few pieces of other material that's found its way in there, a few little bits of black opal, might find a bit of white, but mostly boulder, and it's pipe material, but it's in softer sandstone, so you might be able to polish some of this. The other alternative is to cut the pipes out and polish them. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, the rule's in millimetres, and material's been wetted. You can see there's bits of black opal mixed in amongst it, light and rich opal. But basically it's these pipes that you're looking at. Don't know what that is. Bit of Koroite matrix. Still a cuttable stone there. What happens is when the miners have got heaps of material, is this part of that? Possibly is, yes. And the miners have got a lot of material, they don't recut it. There's a little black opal. They just throw it aside because they get cranky with it, like most people would. And this is the result. So it's a mixed parcel. What you do with it, go through it, maybe get some of the pieces of black opal out and maybe be able to cut those. Like I say, some of this pipe material, I don't think you'll be able to polish it unless you take the opal out, but more for specimens. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.